Hey guys, it's Rhonda from Rhonda's Creative Corner, where we teach you to make wreaths and mums and how to perfect your craft. Alright guys, today we're going to be doing the Texas diamond braid. I know a lot of people have been asking me to do a video, so here I am, I'm ready to do it. Alright guys, so let's get started. Alright guys, so I'm going to tell you the supplies. What you're going to need is a stapler. You want one of these types of staplers because it's easier than using a regular stapler. You can get them at Amazon, at different mom stores here in the Dallas area if you're from the Dallas area. I think a store called L&M also, they sell them, L&M Wholesale, they sell a lot of mom supplies. You're going to also need scissors, and you're going to need 4 different kinds of ribbon. So this is the ribbon that I have chose. I've chose 2 solid colors, and then this pretty diamond dust and this pretty print. Usually I try to pick 2 pretty ones and then just 2 solid ones, okay? So those are the supplies we need. And also we'll be using my ribbon holder from the Provo the Hand. All right, guys, so that's the supplies. All right, guys, so we're going to get our ribbon. And if you're buying ribbon separately, that's fine. You're going to need 3.5 yards for this type of braid. I'll move this over some so that I can measure my yards. Just going to make sure that they're even. All right. That's 1 yard. 1 yard. 3 yards. 3.5. All right. All right. So it's already even in your hands. So what you want to take it and do is you want to make them even. You're just going to line them up. So this is going to be my middle. I'm going to go ahead and fold it so that I can mark my space. And that's all you're doing. You want the same amount on each side, okay? So you're going to pick which ones you want to go with which. So I don't want the 2 greens to go together. And I don't want the 2 pretties, because whatever you put on top is what's going to show the most. So I want my pretties to show the most, okay? So I'm going to take this beautiful green here and line it up with this one. All right. All right, and I'll take this. There we go. And what you're doing is you want the bad side or the ugly side, the plain sides to go together, okay? So I'm just taking this. This is the good side, which is the shiny side, okay? And I'm just placing the bad sides together on both of them. All right. So you'll take it like that. And then what you're going to do is you're just going to make it into a triangle. All right. So all I did is I had it folded in half. And I'm just going to take both of them and fold them down. So when I first started, it was very hard for me to hold this together. Okay. So I'm going to show you the way that I did it. All right, so I just took the stapler and I just stapled right there at the top, just so that it won't keep coming apart, okay? All right. All right, guys, so now that we have the staple, all right, you're going to have one of your diamonds or your points that's going to go up, and the other one is going to go to the left, all right? So the one that is going up is the one to go on top. Can you see? Just like that. All right. So then what you're going to do is you're going to take the bottom top one, all right, and you're just going to put it across there. All right. All I did was take the top one and I went in the middle of this and then went over. And so the bottom one of the one that is pointing to the left, I'm just going to take it and I'm going to take it on top and then underneath. All right. And it should look like this. All right. So I'm going to demonstrate it again. This was one of the toughest parts, was starting it. That was the toughest parts for me. Okay. So we're going to do it again. So you're going to have 1 point up and 1 point to the left. The 1 point that is pointing up is the one that goes on top. All right. You're going to take the top one here. And it doesn't matter. You see how I changed it up? It doesn't matter which one you go. As long as you have 1 pointing up and 1 to the left, then you're good. All right. So you're going to take the top one that's on the bottom and you're going to just put it underneath here, just like that. And then you're going to take this bottom one and you're going to put it on top and then underneath. And it looks like that. All right, one more time. I'm going to have one that's pointing up and one that's to the left. The one that's pointing up goes on top. All right, so you're going to take this top one that's on the bottom, the top string that's on the bottom, and you're going to just pull it through. All right, go under and over. All right, and then with this one, you're going to take it out from the middle. You're going to go on top and then underneath. All right. So this is what you have. Now you're going to take this top one here and you're going to go under, over, under, over. All right, and how you know that you're doing it right is because you have two of the same side by side. All right. So I always just kind of go in and fix it. If you want to staple this part too, this can be the bottom or it can go up in the top. It doesn't really matter. Usually you're going to always cover it with something. So you can staple here too if you wanted it to stay, you know, or not move. Okay. So we're going to do this again. You're going to take this one this time on the left side and you're going to go under and over. My chair got caught on it. And you're going to do it again, under and over. So I know I'm doing it right because I have two right side by side. All right. So I'll go in and kind of fix this some. I don't bend it all the way, but I just give it a little pinch sometimes. All right. So now you're going to take this one on the right side. You're going to go under and then over. Let me pull it up there. I'm going to go under and over. All right. Make sure it's all fixed up. All right. Now we're going to go back to the left side. And you're going to go over, pull it up, and over. Again, back to your right side. You're going to go over and under and over. And see how pretty? So when I said what shows the most, so whatever one you have on top, that's actually what's going to show the most. So I always want my pretty ribbon to show. All right, now we're going to go back to the left side. We're going to go over, take it under, and then over again. Right side, go over, under, and over again. Over, under, and over. Over, under, and over. So yep, you're just going from side to side. All right, and you'll know if you're doing it wrong, if you're gonna pull the right side, because this won't have anything to go over, okay? So that's how I always keep up. As long as I can pull this back to the back, then I know that I'm good and I'm doing the right one, all right? Over, under, and then over again. All right, over, under, and over again. Over, under, and over again. Over, under, and over again. And you just keep going. Just make sure that you're checking, make sure that everything looks good. Under, over, over again. Under, right. So you take it under, over, under, over. So you can sing that in your head. So you go under, over, under, over. Under, over, under, and over. Under, over, under, and over. Look how beautiful this is. Under, and over, under, and over. Just when you're doing it, you saw how it was kind of buckling up there. Just go in and make sure that you're pulling it tight. All right. And do it again. Under and over, under and over. Under, over, under, over. Under, over, under, over. I'm gonna do it really slow for everyone to see. So you take this, you're going under here, over here, under here, and then over again. Under, go in between, over, under, go in between, over. Under, in between, over. All right, under, in between, over. So it looks really, really pretty. So I'm going to finish it up real quick, and then I'll show you how I staple it. And you'll get faster and faster with it, you know. Don't beat yourself up if you don't get it the first time. It's really okay. I didn't either. I had to kind of watch the video, slowly do it, and before I could do it without watching the video, it took me probably about 5 times. But after the 5th time, I was able to do it without watching the video. All right, got a couple of more, and then I'll show you how we staple it. All right, so now that we can't go anymore, just make sure everything looks okay. And then we're going to take the stapler. We're going to put 3 staples, 1, 2, and 3. All right. All right, guys, so here's the finished product. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Please like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. That would be awesome. I also have a subscription group called Rhonda's Creative Circle where you're able to learn more from me. We have different prices, $19.99 if you just want to try it out. If you want to be with us for 3 months, it's $15.99, and 6 months is $14.99 a month, and it just takes out monthly payments. All right, guys, I surely hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and until next time, bye, guys.